Third time's a charm, he says. Shit, I'll probably do one run and then we'll head out after this. It's cold, plus I'm hungry. Unless you want to go again. We can go home and get my face mask and come back. Put your foot all the way back. Yeah. Nice and tight. Round 3, third time's a charm. Let's practice my stance. Is it tiring?
Hell yeah, walking up the hill. How the hell do you get up when you're sitting down like this?
You sitting down like that? Yeah. Easiest thing to do is to get on your knees and stand. Otherwise, tilt your left foot a little forward, and then as soon as you stand, you're going. Yep. Try to keep your feet level, then you won't move. Yeah, like that. Woohoo! Best run so far.